possible.
You look like diamond.
Really?
Danny. What's going on? What we doing? For people from West Africa to really understand what we're talking about. Because yes, you can love the song. Music is a universal language. I agree with you. People, they can love your music, but when they love your music and sing lyric to lyric, it's something else. You understand? Like it means a lot. It makes someone to love more. So I told him we should keep our East African funds. We should give them something that they're not getting for a long time. You understand? Because West African normally do that. Like everyone has his own shows, like putting shows together, different countries. You understand? Like in the US, in the UK, but they didn't just start straight from UK, they started from home. So it's time now to motivate our people, to give them music, to give them concert, to show them how we unite, we're together, and doing shows for them, perform a good performance for them. Then we can move from here, we can do the same in the US, we can do the same in the UK, we can do the same in Australia. That's the way we can promote our music. That's the way we can push our culture. Doing collaborations only with West African musicians doesn't help, because at the end of the day, you're East African, but if you're here today, Burna Boy is performing in the UK, you're gonna go, because maybe you will enjoy the crowd, a lot of people, but those people that started to create from home. So it's time for us to create from home as East Africans, to sit together and to support, to do our music, that to do concept and to promote our culture. So that's the way we can go.
Okay, Ugandans are excited about Harmonize. They can't wait to see you tomorrow at the festival. At what time are you going to be at the stage performing?
Normally wake up in the morning, go to the gym, then get back to the studio, be in the studio, then afternoon I'll go to play football. Then
You will have to go to the studio tomorrow?
Tomorrow all the time, but like my schedule end up I think from 2 or 8 o'clock. So from there, I don't mind any time. If Eddie say like now it's time, people that are ready for you, I'm here for them too.
Okay, live.
I'll be just chilling and small.
Are you going to do it live all CD?
Come to the venue, come to the venue, come to the gate. Don't be late. It's gonna be lit. So all right, man. Shout out to everybody who's supporting this. Kenzo, we love you so much, man. Keep it doing it. Legendary. I'm happy to be in Uganda. I can't wait to see everybody here. And I'm here with Mr. Kokonyo, DJ 7.
Oh, Mr. Kokonyo, how are you? Oh, so welcome to Uganda.
On the game for everybody. So thanks everybody, especially you guys, journalism. You guys means a lot to us. Thank you so much. I'm about to go and rest and have some beautiful Ugandan water. Oh, baby, palm me water.
Okay, nice time. Okay, here we have upcoming artists. Atuse era atuli ku airport atuse obudenga bukyali era enchaba nange mukereko abayimbi bona abamanyi batuse dda Harmonize gwe tubadde tulinda obwedda ate ekintu kitabe kakati naye atuse. Harmonize, how are you? Oliota?
What's popping? Good?
Oliota? Bagamba ndi bulungi.
Say ndi bulungi.
They say ndi bulungi.
Ndi bulungi.
Oh, you have to learn Luganda,
Because
yeah, tomorrow you have to say some Luganda at the festival.
That's the biggest mistake that I made. I don't know how to speak Luganda.
Or maybe you should get someone from Uganda to represent you. there in Tanzania. A woman from here.
I'm just married man. And
You're married.
You know that.
You're a Muslim, not so?
No.
You're a Muslim.
I cannot love two people though.
Oh, okay. How long have you been friends with Kenzo?
Kenzo is like my brother, you know, like one of the people that started to push this East African music. And I started to know him since his side before he even became famous. So it's like he's one of my idols, and we became friends. I'm glad that we became brothers, more than friends. He's a good friend of mine. We've been making music, man, uncountable music. Like we just make banjo music, different music every day. So I can't wait to hear what we got as an East African. Yeah, I'm super excited. So Kenzo's good boy, man. He's my brother. He's my role model.
Okay, here in Uganda, it's the first festival. Who are really excited to see you? Can you, when they ask some time from you, will you?
For sure. You know, underground is a name. If you look at its name, it's like nothing. When you hear underground, it feels like nothing. But trust me, there's no any king or queen without underground. All the queens that you see, all the kings that you see, there was underground before they were. Myself, I was underground. Everybody in the world, you have to start from. So I can't wait to meet them as well. So I'll arrange some proper time.
Okay. Do we expect any collab with Eddie Kenzo?
For sure, we drop music. I think we're dropping new music. I think, yeah, this week.
Okay. Nice time here. Enjoy our matoke and Rolex.
So
okay, nice time.
Banange.
It's Bamwaniriza.
Yeah,